Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials. Sign into your YouTube account on the device you will use and locate the promo or gift code. You should confirm the code's region and expiration now because invalid region blocks redemption. Once done, make sure a valid payment method is on file in case the code is for a trial that auto-renews. This prevents interruptions. Now open the YouTube app or a browser. You're ready to begin the redemption flow immediately. You will now redeem. Open YouTube settings, go to Purchases and Memberships, then select Redeem Code. Type or paste the code exactly. One wrong character fails redemption, so double-check characters like 0 versus O. After code accepts, follow prompts to confirm the offer and select whether to apply it immediately or at period end. If asked, verify or confirm your payment method because trials often require a backup card. Once confirmed, YouTube processes the code and activates your premium. Finish by verifying activation. Open account settings and confirm you see YouTube Premium listed with the correct start and end dates. Check your email for a receipt or activation notice. This confirms the code applied. If the premium badge doesn't appear, sign out and sign back in or switch devices to force sync. If you encounter errors, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or device, and retry. If issues persist, contact YouTube support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.